Dear students, we were doing addition and already we had done some addition of 4-digit number and also we had done story sums. So we had started exercise OE. We had already done number 1 and number 2. Now we will move forward. So we will now solve the story sum number 3. But always keep in mind that while you are doing the story sums, the statement you should write correctly. But if you don't write the statements correctly, then you will not get the proper number. So there is a chance that you will lose some number. So always write the statement well. So now let us read the question and let us understand and learn how can we actually write a different kind of statement for different kind of questions. So in this question, as you can see, at a meeting addressed by a political leader, there were 2,649 men, 3,259 women, and 837 children. How many people were present in the meeting? So if you look at the question, you can find that we have to find out the total number of people present in the meeting. We know that this is the number of the men, this is the number of women, and this is number of children. So accordingly, we have to write the statement. So first statement we will write like number of men. So we know that this is number of men. So our first statement should be number of men in the meeting. Then the number we will write. This is the first statement. So what should be the second statement? Definitely the number of women. So this is the number of women. So same way we will write number of women in the meeting. And thirdly, we have the number of the children. So we'll also write the same thing like number of children in the meeting. So I have written these statements because the question is we have to find out the total number, and this is the number of men, this is the number of women, and this is number of children. So that's why I have written the statement, the number of men, number of women, and number of children. Now the most important thing is the next statement. As you can see, this sign is called therefore. Don't forget to give this sign while solving this kind of story sums. Because this therefore sign will be very important because you are just going to the final point because you are trying to find out the total number of people present. So we know that this is men, this is women, this is children, and together the sum of these numbers should be the total number. So definitely we have to do the addition. So after writing these statements, we have to write the addition and then we have to find out, and after solving this we will get the answer and then we have to write the answer. So in that way you will solve the story sum. Now let us move to the next question, that is question number 4. So this is question number 4. As you can see in question number 4, there is written a cycle factory produced 2,851 cycles in year 2010, 3,670 cycles in 2011, and 2,895 in 2012. So these are the 3 years, 2010, 2011, and 2012. And these are the production. These are the production of different years. And what do you have to find out? What was the production in these 3 years? And we have to again find out the sum. That means it should be an addition. We know that. But we have to write the statement correctly. So what should we write in the first statement? So this is the number of cycles that were produced in 2010. So what will we write? Definitely we will write number of cycles produced in 2010. And then this is the number of the cycles produced in 2011. So definitely we'll simply write number of cycles produced in 2011. And then these number that were actually produced in 2012. So simply we'll write number of cycles produced in 2012. So after doing this, what we will do? Already we know that we have to put therefore sign and then we have to find out the total number. So I have given therefore sign and then total production in 3 years. Because if asking what was the production in these 3 years, so you have to do the addition. So definitely you know that what you have to do. You will write this. Now what you will do? You will simply add this and you will try to find out the answer and you will write the answer over here. So this is question number 4. I hope you actually have understood how to write the statement. In this question, this is the production in 2010. So that's why we have written number of cycle produced in 2010, then 2011, and 2012. So simply while solving in solution, we will do this. Now, if we go to the next question, and that is question number 5. So question number 5, you can see in an examination, 6,381 boys, 2,954 girls appeared. So these are the two numbers. One is for the boys and this number is for the girls. So how many students in all appeared for the examination? Now this one, I'm not writing the statement. You will try to do on your own. Again, I'm telling you, this is the number of boys appeared in the examination. This is the number of girls appeared in the examination. And then you know that therefore sign should be required. And then total number of students, because it also asking about students in all. That's why total number of students, and then you have to do the addition. You will try to solve this on your own. And also question number 6. Read the question. These are the given about election and 3 candidates. The first candidate got this vote, second one this, and the third one this. So number of votes got by the first candidate. This is number of votes got by the second candidate, and this is the number of votes got by the third candidate. And then after putting the therefore sign, you will try to solve this on your own. I hope you have understood. If you haven't understood, watch the video again and again and try to find out how I have done this, and then easily you can find this out. You can easily solve this one. Okay, so this is for now. Try to do on your own in your copy, and when the school will reopen after the summer vacation, then I will check your copies. Thank you so much.